All right, hey guys. I know I told you I'm gonna take a little break for Christmas, but I have a little time in between orders. I kind of want to get these glove straps figured out. So I have 3 different types I worked on today. I have this version here, which has a clip. Okay. I have this version here, which you see a lot of my premium products, or all my products that have this Sam Brown stud. And what this allows me to do is to change the different lengths. So I just created different holes here to connect, so that makes that look bigger, and we have 3 different sizes here. I'm not a big fan of this because eventually, you can't tell, but once you start playing with this hole will kind of wear out and it'll be useless after a while. So I'm not a fan of that. This right here, this buckle, I see a lot of guys I see a lot of guys who sell this, sell it just like this with this buckle, which is cool. So that's that. So then of course I come up with this over-engineered, ridiculous system. All right. So the problem with this one is you're committed to this length, whatever this length is. So if you have these pair of gloves, that might work. If you have something different, it might not work. Or once this leather loosens up, then you're screwed. So you're committed to this length. This one, you have this different ways to adjust, but that hole will wear out eventually because this is going to be coming on and off a lot. So I'll come up with this system. A brass ring, and the way you grab it is with another trigger snap, and it's adjustable with this alligator, really heavy duty spring snap. Hold on. And this adjustable with this slider here. So I'm going to show you what that looks like when I put them on. When I put this on. That is not going to wear out. That's not going to wear out. And if you want it tighter, take this guy right here and you cinch this bad boy down. Yeah, that's pretty tight. So that thing is tight, and you can adjust the tightness on that. That's not going anywhere. So that's that. So let me know what you guys think, which one you like best, and I'll start making them. I'm probably aiming and leaning towards this design, maybe a variation of it. Somehow incorporate this alligator snap and this brass ring with less than 3. So this piece will be shorter and increase the length on this piece. I don't know. Anyway, that's that piece. Let me know what you guys think. I'm getting tired. I apologize for this long video. Regular plastic snap, plastic, Sofield leather and plastic don't like each other. This I really do like, but after a while, I think that's not gonna really hold up. Just my opinion. This is all hardware. There's barely any leather here. So this I like because it's gonna last a long time. That's kind of like my shtick. Okay, so let me know what you think. All right, talk to you later.
You say you wanna come and test it, but then you come and then just break it. You say you wanna come and test it, but then you come and then just break it, break it.